Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making this beautiful, super delicious vanilla sheet cake topped with whipped cream frosting. Stick and stay with me as I show you how everything is obtained. The ingredients we are using for today's vanilla sheet cake: we have 1.5 cup of soft flour, we have baking powder and baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, we have some salt, a cup of sugar. We'll use half of this butter here. We have 2 eggs, our vanilla, half cup of cornstarch, and then half cup of buttermilk. And these are the tools we are using. We have our stand mixer, our sheet, we have a whisk, spatula, our serrated knife, and I'll be using some parchment paper as well. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. We've added the butter, so I'm going to add in our oil and the sugar. Now we are going to mix for 2 minutes until a creamy mixture is up. Now we are coming to add in our eggs here. Add them one at a time, and that 2 minutes best, and then we continue from there. Now we are going to scrape the bottom, ensuring everything is mixing in nicely. And then we add in the second egg. Now we are going to add in our vinegar and then half of the buttermilk. Then we mix until everything is evenly. Now we'll add in our vanilla. This might look like a lot of vanilla, but trust me, it's going to make the cake delicious and smell amazing. Now this is our flour. I'm going to add in the cornstarch. We'll add the salt, our baking powder and baking soda, and then we mix. Now we'll add it to the wet ingredients here with the aid of the spatula by hand. Now this is what we've got. So we are going to add in half of our dry ingredients here. Then we'll mix. Now we'll add in the rest of the buttermilk, and then we'll add the rest of the dry ingredients. After this is mixed in. So this is our baking sheet with the parchment paper placed in it. We are going to start pouring in our cake batter here. Now we are going to spread it evenly, pushing it to all the corners and ensuring it is very leveled. So we are going to bang it on the countertop to burst any air bubbles, and then we bake at 160 degrees for 25 to 28 minutes at most. So this is our vanilla sheet cake. I'm going to remove it from the parchment paper covering with the aid of a cooling rack here. Then we flip it like this. This is our vanilla cake. So after cutting off the excesses, I'm flipping it back into the sheets. Moving it to the middle, and then we set it aside as we prepare our frosting. This is my stable whipped cream frosting. The recipe is already on the channel, you can check out. So we are going to frost the tops of our vanilla sheet cake with it. So we are going to cut into it. Then we divide on this side. So we are taking one out. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.